Welcome to this 10-minute daily guided meditation. My name is Adam Berry, and today we're going to start a series on centering the breath. The breath is our life force. It's the central point of who we are as humans, and learning to use it to center ourselves can be a very worthwhile practice to help us reduce our stress when we need it most. Before we get started, begin by sitting comfortably on a pillow, bench, or chair. Get comfortable, close your eyes, and spend a few minutes resting your body. Soften the sides of the lower ribcage as well as your belly, and this will allow your breath to flow deeply. And just take a few moments to forget about your day and to realign yourself with your breath. The body is always breathing, and your breath is constantly moving. Therefore, your breath is not only the best place to start, it's a constant you can return to any time that you need a little centering. When the emotions of life are on top of us, our breath is always there for us. There is nothing to figure out. There are no problems to solve. And there's nothing special you need to do. When you experience your mind darting elsewhere, pulling you away from the present moment, just return to your direct experience of the body breathing. A big deep breath in, and out. Just take a few minutes to stay with the breath. If your mind races off, just let it come and go. Allow the thought to pass, and just focus again on your breath in and out. Slowly bring your awareness to your abdomen. Relax the muscles there. See if you can feel the natural rising and the natural falling that aligns with your breath. Then bring your awareness to your lungs. Feel your air expand your lungs with each in-breath and feel them collapse with each out-breath. Now take a few moments and see if you can follow the feeling of the breath from the beginning of your inhalation right through to the end of your exhalation. First, bring your attention to your nostrils and your upper lip. The feeling of the breath might be more subtle here, as it tickles over your lip into your nostrils. Take a big, deep breath and see what you experience as you focus on that part of your body. Amit Ray said, "If you want to conquer the anxiety of life, live in the moment. Live in the breath." And we need to take that forward into our daily lives. As feelings and emotions can get on top of us, it's important that we remember we have a force within us to move us away from those feelings. The struggle is then not merely the emotions we have, but remembering to breathe when we need it most. As today's practice comes to an end, slowly allow your attention to expand and notice your entire body. And then take that attention away from your body and to the room that you are in. When you're ready, open your eyes, wiggle your toes and your fingers, and bring yourself back to a fully alert and awake state. Remember, the breath is always with you as a refocusing tool throughout your life, and we should use it to bring us back to the present moment. Well done on completing this 10-minute daily meditation. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.